Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. In today's video tip, I'm going to show you how to position your boat with docking lines inside a slip. You always want to adjust your lines to protect your boat from tidal rise and fall, from boat wakes, or in stormy weather when water levels can be higher than normal. Now let's take a look at a simple 3-point checklist you can use to help keep your boat safe and secure inside a slip. Rig lines inside a slip to form diagonal angles if possible. Here you can see our spring lines and stern lines form diagonal angles between the boat and pilings or pier. We'll need to keep a bit of slack on our bow lines to prevent the boat from hanging up at low tide. Remove most of the slack from your lines at low tide. This will allow your boat to rise and fall with the tide and prevent her from hanging on her lines at low tide. Use vertical and horizontal fenders to protect your boat hull. Horizontal fenders offer more surface protection next to pilings. Vertical fenders can be used next to flat surfaces like a finger pier or seawall. Use these easy sailing tips to protect your small sailboat inside a slip wherever in the world you choose to sail or cruise. Find more tips like these in the all-new 3rd edition of Dock a Boat Like a Pro, now available on skippertips.com. Discover the secrets to dock your boat smoother and easier. Click on the link below to find out more.